Sunday night. Sometimes you've got to let the kid win. Win what for? Oh, hello everyone. Welcome back to some walkthroughs for AP Computer Science, review for the AP exam, or just fun. On CodingBat, we're looking at the Java section. We're looking at the Warmup2 part and the function, the exercise stringTimes. So if you see here, the stringTimes function, what it does is it's given a string and then a non-negative integer n, and what it has to do then is return a larger string that is made up of n copies of the original string. So if it's passed the string hi and the number 2, we give back hi twice, hi hi. If it's 3, then hi hi hi, and so on. If it's hi and then 1,000, hi 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 hi. Not going to do it all. Okay, so thing to keep in mind is at the end we want to return some result, right? Some string. So at the beginning we will declare a string called result that doesn't have anything in it. Okay, and then we'll gradually add things into it. Now, as we saw, we may have to add 1, 2, 3, or 1,000 of whatever these strings are. So because this is repeating, but we don't know how many times, there is a specific thing we would want to use, right? A loop. You can use a for loop, you can use a while loop. For loops, again, in this situation, we're kind of dictated how many times it's going to repeat, so that's more of a definite for loop. You can use either, but convention suggests let's use a definite loop, a for loop. Okay? Okay, so start counting at 0, and of course we'll add 1 each time. So in that case, in order to decide when to stop, that will be indicated by n. So let's see. If our value of n is 3, we would count 0, 1, 2, and 2 would be the last valid value before we get to 3. So 0, 1, and 2. So we would have 3 repetitions there. Okay. So inside of that for loop, here's where we want to add in the values to the result. So remember, concatenation is this task of taking strings and gluing them together. So we're going to glue on, if it's high, we're going to glue high in, and then another high, and then another high. Okay, so each time plus equals. We're adding in gradually, one at a time, the same string over and over again. So the string called str. So the first time through, when I is 0, result will come out with the value of just str. So it's a single high. The next time through, it's going to add a high back onto the previous high. So now result will be high high. And the third time through, high high will get high added onto it. So it'll be high high high. Okay? So you see how that works? Boom, we got the result. If the string passed is oh boy, 2, we've got oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so any questions, please send me an email or pop into office hours. Thank you.